sir. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. It's your boy Jerry Shoots, the driver of Black Soul M4. Today's video, we are going on a drive to Point Reyes, all the way up north, a little bit north, a bit like 2 hours away from San Francisco, California. Driving with a bunch of BMW M4 cars. Before we go there, we're here in Fremont, California. We're meeting up with some of my big bros here in the car scene. Get some coffee right now at Phil's Coffee. All right, yeah, so we got our boy Dan Supra right here. This is a Mark IV Toyota Supra, and it has this car is pretty much pushing a lot of power up. It has a T-top, so you can take this out right here. You got Peter Herb's S14 240 SX.
It's a project.
It's a project car, but he also has an E90 M3. And if you guys want to see the cutie owner, he's right here. But yeah, he recently got this like early November, he said?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you guys can see this carbon fiber right here, y'all. Big single turbo. Dude, if you don't mind me asking, Dan, how much is it pushing right now?
On E85, on the dyno, on 31 pounds of boost.
31?
Yeah. So it's got 5 different maps.
Right. But you're full E, running full E.
On full E, it's doing 780 on the dyno.
780. Oh my goodness. And 2 steps and all that stuff.
All the above. The car's fast.
These are the cars we're going to be driving with today. We only got 5 cars, so we got Joey's 1M, we got Arian's E92 M3, we got one of their boys, F30 340i, I think, 335i. It looks pretty sick. But anyway, so we got Matthew's F80 M3 there, my F82 M4. We're heading to Cypress Tree Tunnel. It's one of the nicest spots here, locations here in California. We got Joey's 1M right here. He's leading us. Should be fine. So it's been like 25 minutes now since we've been stuck in this short traffic. But dude, I just want to show you guys how nice the weather is today. Yeah, it's like sunny day. It's perfect for driving for sure. I love it and I appreciate it. So thank you, Lord. But look at that view, guys. Oh my goodness. Woo! Guys, so this place that we're going to right now, this is not my first time here. I've been here before with my car as well, but this is like before when Taro was still stock. Here it is, guys. This is Cypress Tree Tunnel. I don't know where we're gonna park right now, but we're gonna look. This is Joey, by the way, guys. What's up, dude? I'm gonna show you guys some of the cars that we have right now. Like I said, we got Joey's 1M. This is a 6-speed N55 motor, twin turbo. He's got a T37s right here, F82 M4 here. Damn, she looks pretty clean though, but I definitely need to. I'm having problems with this wheel right here. I gotta make sure I gotta clean that more. Matt's F80 M3, B Le Mans Blue, dude. Sheesh, this thing pops out. Looks pretty clean. Is this a 340i? Yeah. Okay. I just wanted to make sure before I say something on the vlog. What kind of paint is, what kind of wrap is this?
It's a Militech vintage racer.
Oh, okay. Looks pretty sick. Are these the empty comp wheels? I knew it. I was like, this looks familiar. 19s, right?
Yeah.
Nice.
Let's go, bro.
Yep. Tim again, right? I forgot his name. Tim, what's your name? Sorry.
Alex.
Alex, my bad, my bad. All right, Alex. Dang. head to this beach right here. It's like 10 minutes away from here. We're just gonna go park in there and just like take more photos and stuff. And it's gonna be a good drive on the way there too, so let's go. Gonna enjoy it right now with the homies, and let's go for a drive after. All right, we're heading to another spot, still at the same beach. Should be a better one though. We're here at the third location of the cruise, and we got this nice, lovely view of the beach. Got a nice view here, guys. I'm gonna show you guys right now. Look at that. Would you look at that? Oh yeah, nice view. Joey's 1M, Matt's F80 M3. We're heading back to eat now, and yeah, more drive. Sorry guys, so it's starting to get colder now. Back here again at the meeting spot earlier. Like I said, I haven't eaten the whole day yet, so go get some food with the people and head home after. Yes, sir. We got chicken tacos, and we got carne asada tacos, and we got clear fries.
Pork belly tacos.
Let's get it.